What's up, guys? Back out here in New York. I've been fishing a couple of weeks. Actually supposed to be dropping a video today, February 21st. It is Monday. I got no footage. So hopefully, me and my guy Mike, Mr. Ripper Lip Jigs himself, can get some trout today. So we out here in Long Island gonna try to get some trout, some brown trout. You can keep 3 a day. Don't know if we're gonna keep any yet, but we're gonna try to do this. We got a simple rig. We got our ultralight rods, a float, and one little hook with some wax worms. Very simple. Don't even got a split shot on there. Simple setup. See if we can get some trout today. See, I got my East Coast Hookers hoodie on. Make sure you hit up Raph if you want that. You can hit me up too. You mention Reed's Outdoors, you get a discount. Look at it, look at it. This hoodie's pretty nice. Look at the back of it. Hold on. Hold this. It's nice, it's warm, it's smooth. So make sure you hit up Raph if you want that. But yeah, let me get in the water. I haven't fished in a while. Last time you see me, I was catching them tiny fish in the back of that Airbnb in Tampa. Now I'm back in the cold. So let's get this going. See you in a second. So I got this little ultralight rod. Mike is already in the water. Let me get some of these wax worms out. Load this hook up. 1, 2.
Nice today. They should be hungry. You might have to walk around and find them if they don't bite over here.
Yeah. I'm gonna start out with 3.
Last time they were really biting and the bite stopped, I walked like 30 feet down and started biting again. That's where you need to be though. You need to be out there.
Yeah. Wow. Bunch of swans. So I'm gonna start with 3 wax worms on the hook. They should be able to see that. Stay out there. See if we can get them going.
Let's wow.
Mike got a little one.
Let's go.
But it's been like 2 hours.
Yeah. They're gonna start biting.
2 hours, no bite. Mike is on. Little brown trout.
You wanna keep them? Wanna eat them?
It's a little one.
No, let's go. You want them?
Yeah.
You sure?
Go ahead, get on back. Very poor trout releasing skills by Mike.
I'm not jumping down there, bro. You got to go back.
See if I get one.
Let's go.
You got it. Oh, that look. Oh, it's a fighter. I know, right? It's been 2 hours. Mike just got one. I'm finally on. Yo, he just went down with it. Just swam with it. That's a better one. I think I'm gonna keep that one. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. We're allowed to keep 3. A little bit bigger than the one he got. Yeah, I'll keep this one.
That's a nice one. Yeah, that's definitely a nice one.
Oh, I don't even want to touch it. Oh, my hands.
They're gonna start biting now. Watch. That's a good size one too.
Yeah, we're allowed to keep 3. I'll keep this one. Some water in the bucket. Throw them in there. Oh, I haven't had trout in a minute. Hopefully get 2 more. My hands are cold now. Yeah, I was watching it. I was turning on the camera so I get the hook set.
Yeah. Only took 2 hours for them to start biting.
I know, right? Put 4 on now. Boy, oh boy, is my hand frozen. See if we get some more. Have some trout tonight. Mike just got hit. Hey. On again. Bet he not letting this one go. Yeah, that's a better one. Nice. Oh. Luckily he got him on shore.
Trout? Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, they're delicious. Yeah, you're allowed to actually keep 3 of them in here. They stop them.
Nice.
Wow, they're nice size.
Yeah. Another hit. Yo, what? Yeah, that can't be trout. But you know the golden shiners are there too. Cause I'm not feeling nothing. Look at it. Look how slow it's going. Oh, there, got that one. Got that one's a trout. Oh, he got Yo. Yo, the other ones I swung on nothing. No weight, no nothing. Ah, come on.
What are you waiting for?
Bro, it was already coming back up. No, you stay right over there. You stay over there. I gotta get the camera on first. That one caught me off guard. It came so quick. I still see the bait. I ain't come back.
Trout. No, we kept a couple.
Got some of that bait. Oh, what is this? That was a weird hit. Like the float they can't even pull the float all the way down. That can't be trout. Oh, Mike getting a bait. Mike went to the bathroom. Mike went to the bathroom, he just lost one. Wow. Check my bait. You walking back mad slow, you just got hit.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm dead serious. Oh, the bite then died again. Same way it was when we first got here. Getting nothing now. So we're probably about to get out of here. I got a short little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Caught a couple of trout. Had a nice cold fun day. See you guys in the next video. Peace.